Hey guys, welcome back to Fit Chick Friday. My name is Bella. So unfortunately this weekend I injured my knee playing soccer. So I figured that I would use this opportunity to show you guys how I heal and recover after workouts. I guess the first thing I'll go over is the expression RICE, which is actually kind of funny because I went to Rice. But anyway, RICE stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevation. So obviously I've been resting. I decided I'm not going to work out for a week. And then ice, I've been icing my injury every day. Compression, I'm wearing this compression sleeve to help restore blood flow. And lastly, elevate, I have been doing my best to keep my leg elevated when I sleep. I put my leg up on a pillow. It's been working so far. And then a few cool things that I actually do on my own. I love and live by Epsom salt. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It's really awesome. It helps soothe your muscles and it reduces inflammation. So I just take like a 20-minute hot bath with this, and clearly it's helping because I can see my kneecap again. Yeah, so it's really great. I love and live by it. Secondly, I use these two massage rollers. This is like a stick, and this is a specific point massage roller, so it's a small ball. I don't know if you can see that. There it goes. So I love this stick. It's something that I've been using since high school. So both of these are really great for myofascial releases, meaning it breaks down the adhesions and scar tissue that your body creates, which is kind of what causes that soreness and that like little bit of pain that you feel. So even after working out when you're sore, these are great. It kind of serves to provide a deep tissue massage, and they increase blood flow, so it's really great to help your body recover. And then lastly, here is peppermint oil. It's awesome. So I actually put it in this small little hole that's here on the back of this massage roller, and I just roll it out, and it naturally just like puts the oil everywhere as it's providing that massage. And peppermint oil is actually really great. It's a natural painkiller and muscle relaxant. I'm sorry, I must have been muscle relaxant. I clearly cannot speak. But yeah, it's great. I really do love all these things. They've been super helpful to helping me recover. So hopefully they really help you guys. So sorry again that I couldn't make an actual workout video, but I hope this is helpful for you because it's been super helpful for me. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye.